Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my nails at home. Man, this hair is just sticking out everywhere. So, as I was saying, we are going to be doing like a nail tutorial today. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my own acrylic nails at home. I'm going to be using these Kiss Broadway Bring the Salon at Home nails. These are the ones I usually use when I do acrylic nails at home. I actually don't wear acrylic nails that often. Usually I do like to wear like my natural nails out, and then I'll paint them and maintain them that way, and I'll post some pictures on the screen. My nails do get pretty long, actually, to the point that I don't wear false ones because I like the natural shape and the length of my nails. But I feel like with this dry winter and the weather and everything like that, it's just made my nails more like fragile and they're breaking a lot easier. So I recently cut them pretty short, and I decided, why not, if they're short and I have to do them anyways, why not show you guys how I do them like acrylic nails at home. Very, very inexpensive. I think this whole box costs you about like 10 bucks, 10 to $13, and I'll show you, and they have a bunch of different styles on their website, but I believe there's 100 nails actually in here, so you get a lot of different shapes and widths and everything like that, which is awesome. For such an inexpensive price, you can do your nails at home so many times, you know, like for $10. So it's gonna cost you like $1 or so per manicure, as where if you went somewhere, it's gonna cost you a lot more than that. So the shape I'm going to be showing you guys today is this one right here. I believe this is like their oval pointed shape. I also do enjoy like their straight, like their square ones. I'll post a picture of those as well. So they have a bunch of different styles that you can browse at. I'll link their website down below. This video is like not sponsored or anything like that. I just truly like these nails and I wanted to show you guys how I use them. So we're going to start the nail tutorial. Very, very easy, very quick and easy and low maintenance. I'm definitely not someone who spends too much time on my nails. I used to do so much nail art and like a different design on each nail. Now I keep it pretty simple, yeah, I'll just be walking you guys through the tutorial, so let's get right on into it. Alright, so the first step I'm going to do is make my nails as short as I can. The reason I do this is so that when I apply the false nail and I turn my hand over, you can't see my natural nail peeking out, and then this way I don't have to take the acrylics off for a while, since my nails will have like more time to grow. So that's why I like to cut them short initially. And I don't know about you guys, but I cannot use clippers. I always use these little like nail scissors. I just can't with clippers. I don't know what it is about them. Just can't use them. So I'm just gonna cut all my nails to like a pretty nubby size. Alright, so my nails are all cut nice and short. So the next step I would do is file down my nails. I just have a regular old nail file, and I just go like towards the center from each side, just making sure there's no corners. And I go like from each side until it's nice and smooth. So I'm just gonna go do that to all my nails. Alright, so the next step is I'm gonna take some jojoba oil. This is the Desert Essence Pure Jojoba Oil. It's amazing. Jojoba oil is so good for so many different things. But what I like to do is actually use this on my cuticles. It's amazing, like a cuticle oil. So I'll just take this and kind of rub it in. This does such a good job at just really moisturizing, and it doesn't feel like heavy too. It blends right into the skin. So I just like to apply that. Alright, then I'll just take a like little tissue and I'll just wipe right where my nail actually is, not the cuticle, just so that the glue doesn't like slip on the oil. So I'm just wiping the actual nail. This will still leave some moisture behind, which moisture is really, really important for your nails, making sure they stay nice and strong. So yeah, all done with that. Alright, so the next step is to actually apply the nails. Now, if you're someone who has no patience with waiting for your nails to dry, what I would recommend in this step is to actually paint the nails themselves and then wait for them to dry separately and then apply them onto your nails. But I like to have them on my nails to actually paint them, so this part is completely up to you. And I forgot to if I can even get this kit open, I forgot to mention that this does come with a glue. This is the one it comes with. This is the Kiss Maximum Speed Nail Glue. It's pretty good. I mean, it's not the best ever. If you want, you can definitely get a more professional, stronger glue and still use these nails. Because the nails themselves, they're great. It's just the glue that kind of differentiates how long they'll stay on. Alright, so now is very important because now I'll be picking out like these sizes. So what I'll do is just take a nail, see if it fits. You want both corners to kind of fit on each side. If it overlaps even slightly, it's going to be uncomfortable and more likely for it to fall off. So just going to be going through and picking. So this one seems to be pretty good. It's okay if there's a little bit on the side, that's definitely fine. So I'm just gonna go through. Alright guys, so I have all nails lined out here. Super important. So now is time for the gluing process. This is very important because if you mess up, you're kind of screwed. So what I usually like to do is dot a drop on my nail, and then I'll take the corresponding size. That's why I like to line them up in order. And just press it, and I like to kind of put the nail right down to the cuticle. This way, you know, you kind of, it applies nicer, and then you want to hold that pressure there. Make sure there's no air bubbles. Again, this will help. So just really press from side to side. And there you go, the nail is applied. You want to make sure they're centered. You don't want any crooked nails. And then you make sure you're getting pretty close to your cuticle, but of course not overlapping the cuticle because that never looks nice. I've never actually done this pointy style before, so kind of excited. I usually do the more straight, like the straight nail. I'll post a picture of so you guys can see. But I use the whole pack of those, so I don't have any more, I don't think. And yeah, so they have different lengths and everything like that. So here's one set, and I actually love how these look natural. I might keep them. Like, they have a nice, like a really nice color to them, kind of that fade, which you can definitely leave them as, or color them. Okay. I'll do the next one. It's always so weird going from like short nails to long nails like in seconds, you know what I mean? So making sure they're like applied and glued down the first time will prevent them from falling faster after. So here are the nails. I actually really like the color. It has like that fade. So that's a good thing about these two, since they are white. Once you apply them onto your natural nails, they'll have that natural fade. So you don't even have to really, like, if you like this natural look, you can keep them like that. I think I'm going to keep them like this for now, like for a few days. And then I'll check back in with you guys, and maybe we'll paint them later on. And then you guys can kind of see how long they last on my nails too. So the next step, kind of the last step, if you're just leaving them, is to take a file and file them down. Now, I don't want to get rid of much of the length. I just want to get rid of that really pointy edge, because when they come like by themselves, they're not really filed, so that edge is kind of scratchy. But if you like the length, like, all you have to do is file them, whereas if you want to cut them down, I'd recommend doing that before you actually apply them on. Like, shape them and kind of keep holding them onto your nails so that you know if you like it or not, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just doing this with every nail. Doesn't take too long. Alright guys, so here are my nails all done. I don't know if I love the pointy style on me. I think the straight is kind of nice too. I can also do a tutorial with the straight nails one day if you guys like, but it's the same kind of idea, just a different shape. But yeah, here they are. I think they turned out pretty good, and again, I didn't even put any polish on them, so this is their natural color. And as I said, in a few days I'll check in and show you guys like how it looks when I paint them. So I don't know if this is my favorite style actually, like on me, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. So I will see you in a few days. All right guys, so it's been a few days. My nails are still on. I've just kept like the white. I've had a couple of people ask me actually if it was like a white ombre, because it kind of looks like it, but it's time to paint them. I'm kind of getting bored of this color, so I'm just going to be taking this Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear. These are like $2, so super affordable, and this one is in the shade Royal Hue. I've worn this one a couple times, and you guys usually ask me what I'm wearing in the video. So I'm just going to paint my nails. I'm not going to be using a nail primer or anything, just because I am using a like fake acrylic nail, so I don't feel like I need it. I'm just gonna paint a nail, and I also find you don't need as many coats with acrylic nails, which makes it super easy since they already have that white base to them, whereas your natural nail you'll probably need more than one coat. What you can also do if you don't want to wait for these to dry is paint them without them actually being on your nails, and then they'll dry like overnight or something, and then you can just glue them on in the morning. So that's a really easy technique as well. So as you can see, they're super easy to paint. If you want to add any nail art or anything like that, it's usually pretty easy because you can do it while the nails aren't even on, so you don't have to worry about painting with your other hand if you don't like painting with your other hand. So that's always an option too. And then you just glue them on, which is super easy in the end. I'm gonna go do my other hand now, and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished result. Alright guys, so my nails are all done and painted. I'm gonna wait for them to dry, and then we'll be all done. But yeah, this is basically the finished look. They'll just have to dry. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you guys how I do my acrylic fake nails at home. It's actually super easy to do. And the glue I've been using lately is this one right here. It's called the Split Second Nail Glue. It's a brush-on nail glue instead of the dropper. I really like it. And yes, sometimes the nails obviously fall off if you're, you know, trying to open something or something. They can like pop off. I just recommend kind of carrying the nail glue everywhere with you. I always keep it in my purse just in case I need it. You never know. So I recommend keeping it with you a bunch, and that will kind of help if anything pops off. You can just glue it right back on. The thing I like about the acrylic nails is they don't chip. The only thing with them is that they do come off sometimes, so you do need to glue them on, and then your nails can become damaged from them. So I do recommend fake nails and acrylic nails, these ones by Kiss in particular, but just keep in mind that using them too much can become damaging. So I usually switch on and off from acrylic to my own natural nails. I can show you guys kind of my routine for my natural nails, how I grow them out and everything like that too, if you guys want to see that. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.